Thanks for choosing Waterproof.com, your one-stop shop for basement waterproofing products. Our exclusive basement systems are designed to save money, shorten job times, and create bigger margins on each sale. The Water X-Tract system is easy to install and works on all foundation types. It's ideal for brick, stone, poured concrete, and block walls because there's no jackhammering or digging required. The hollow baseboard is bonded watertight to the concrete floor using our exclusive Pro-SealOnce Adhesive. Water seeping in through the cold joint or weep holes is channeled along the perimeter to the sump pump. The drain main system's open back design takes waterproofing to the next level by efficiently collecting water from all major leak sources. Installation is easier and faster than old-fashioned pipe and gravel because it requires less concrete removal, just enough to expose the footer and zero trenching. With Drain Main, you can shorten job times and boost your bottom line. The complete system comes with pre-molded inside and outside corners, inspection ports, and sump drop connections. Our low-profile fast track system can be installed on top of or next to the footing, making it a versatile waterproofing solution for even the worst wet basements. Engineered with slits instead of holes, the channel filters water and moves it quickly and efficiently to the sump pump. Fast Track is designed to work in harmony with our Drain Ease or rim skirt to collect seepage from walls and channel it into the Fast Track for ultimate basement waterproofing solution. To learn more about our professional-grade waterproofing supplies, contact a Waterproof.com specialist today.